Well, he got the cycle symbol. He's won the fight with the number game stacking in Akhilesh's favor. But what's next for Akhilesh now? It's an alliance with the Congress party and the RLD that's keenly being watched out for. The strengths of the alliance with the Congress party, which Akhilesh will be banking on, will be to beat the anti-incumbency way. For the Congress as well, it's a win-win scenario if it comes and stitches a Mahagathbandhan. Could be looking at a repeat of what happened in the Bihar politics as well, with Congress taking over in conjunction with the Samajwadi Party. Could it be a possibility? Take a look.
Akhilesh wins the cycle race, leaving Father Mulayam in the dust. The Election Commission announced its verdict in the Samajwadi tussle, and Akhilesh emerged the winner, securing the right to campaign under the cycle flag and Samajwadi Party name, and effectively stamping his authority on the party.
The Akhilesh group had filed all the documents at various levels. There was overwhelming majority in support of the Akhilesh group.
With the custody battle over, Akhilesh's most trusted supporter dropped strong hints about a grand alliance in the state.
कांग्रेस महागठबंधन होगा
ये अखिलेश यादव जी तय करेंगे, लेकिन मुझे उम्मीद है कि होगा.
Soon after the victory, Akhilesh appeared to offer an olive branch to his father. Other leaders of the Janta family came out in open support of the Yadav scion. Trumped in the party he founded, Mulayam has a limited number of options in front of him. Either he can stay in SP on Akhilesh's terms, float his own outfit, or join an existing party like the Lok Dal, which is highly improbable. The Yadav feud is over, but only for now. With the battle having reached such proportions, it seems unlikely that the Mulayam and Shivpal faction will accept defeat so easily. So what will their next step be? With Kumar Vikrant, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, here's the inside story that we're getting to you ahead of the official announcement. Akhilesh will be meeting the Congress Vice President in the coming days. Congress wants at least 100 to 120 seats for the moment. Akhilesh will be the Chief Minister face for polls, and that leaves Congress in a conundrum with Sheila Dikshit. She's already gone on record saying that she will make way for a younger generation if this alliance did come to be a reality. Moving on, let's see what are the other pointers. Congress to tweak its slogan, 27 saal UP Bihar. Of course, it'll be an embarrassment to say if we have the Akhilesh faction with the Congress. RLD is another third faction that Akhilesh will try and stitch a Mahagathbandhan with. Congress to Dalit voters after the Brahmin card as well. And this could be a win-win scenario more for the Congress than for Akhilesh. Going across to my colleague Maushmi, who's joining us on the story. So Maushmi, when are we expecting the big announcement? And it seems that if it's true, then Congress Vice President could be looking at another successful Mahagathbandhan after Bihar. Maushmi, if you can hear me for the moment, can you take us through when is the official announcement expected? All right, we'll try and connect with Maushmi in just a bit. But many reactions have also been coming in since yesterday after Akhilesh went to seek blessings of his father Mulayam Singh, winning the party symbol. It's been a fight that's been playing out in the EC domain and not a fresh one at that. Now, let's take a look at the number game. The way it stacks in Akhilesh's favor, how it's looking for the moment. You have Akhilesh getting the majority which swung in his favor. Out of 228, he has supports of 205 MLAs in his party. And not only that, he has around 56 MLCs out of the 68 which are supporting him. And in fact, this is also another factor that swung in his favor, is that out of total 24, you have at least 15 MPs that supported Akhilesh in the signed affidavit that he submitted. And total national executive member are 46, out of which 28 have supported Akhilesh. So number game well in charge with Akhilesh and Samajwadi Party holding the grip. Options very limited for Mulayam, who's been anointed as Margdarshak of the party. But Akhilesh's next step now is an alliance with Congress and the meeting with Rahul Gandhi just around the corner. Let me see if we can try and get Maushmi for you once again. Maushmi, what is the inside story that you're getting? When is the official announcement expected?
See, Devna, this is the bargaining battle that's going to happen. It's all about numbers, as you just showed. Akhilesh won the battle within weeks. That's a historic time when the Election Commission has decided, and it was just on the basis of the numbers. So now the Congress party, we do believe that there has been an understanding over the seats they're supposed to share with the Samajwadi Party. But this grand alliance is all about which party will be able to bargain better. We do believe that Rahul Gandhi is pitching in for a respectable alliance. Remember in 2012, Congress party went all alone. It was Akhilesh and Mayawati who were on the target and radar of the Congress vice president. So the Congress party now stands at a position where it will be actually aligning with a major political party in Uttar Pradesh that is a very important, crucial state in 2019. So clearly, it would want a respectable alliance there, Devina.
All right, Maushmi, thanks for joining us. Continue tracking the story. Very important development coming in, and a trouble could be there for BJP and BSP if this Mahagathbandhan comes together. Talk more about that. I have to take a short break.